We are graduate 5, and our scenario will be related to physical fitness. So the captain on board or the casualty or the victim is suddenly feels shortness of breath or struggle in breathing. Then that's why he leads to unconscious.
Check the area is safe. Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay? Check the pulse for 10 seconds together with the breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Negative pulse, negative breathing. Now I will proceed to CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. One, two, three. Now the victim has positive pulse but negative breathing. Now we will proceed to artificial respiration.
The victim has positive pulse and negative breathing. Now we will perform AR. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now we will check if the victim has breathing and pulse. Now the victim has pulse and breathing. Now we will perform recovery position.
So upon preparing the recovery position, first thing first, you should know that the casualty have the positive pulse and positive breath. So we use the method for Rola and Chica and Darna. So first thing first, you should put this left arm here. Palm out, must be up the left knee. And then the back. So, upon recovering a person, first thing first, second thing is you check if there's any damage or in the back plate or on the lower part. So, that's all.